Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a recorded clip or new reel. Open it in Reel's edit mode and focus on the audio controls. Tap the small speaker icon labeled Original to silence the camera audio. This removes the background track while keeping your visual. Once done, make sure the icon shows muted so you don't accidentally layer sound. You're doing this first because it prevents audio bleed into later additions like music or voiceover, which keeps your edit clean and intentional. Now add the audio you want. Use music for tracks, sounds for effects, or record voiceover for narration. Select a clip and place it on the timeline, then tap volume or mixer to balance levels. Lower music if you'll add voice. Once added, trim and drag the audio so beats and words line up with visual cuts. Make sure to preview several times. Adjusting fades and timing here is why you muted the original first, giving you full control over the final mix. Finalize by playing the full reel to check transitions and audio balance. Adjust levels or trims until it sounds cohesive. If you still hear camera audio, return to the editor, tap Original, remute it, then resave as a draft and preview again. Sometimes the first mute doesn't persist. Once satisfied, export or publish. Key troubleshooting tip. If muting fails, close and reopen the app or clear cache. That refresh often fixes persistent audio state issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.